Hello guys, how are we doing today? Today, we meet for a new video. We meet for football talks, transfer news, latest updates of what's happening in our various clubs, countries since we are on international break. Okay, now for the first news of the day, we are going to talk about the biggest news of this international break, which is Mo Salah will leave as free agent in June with no transfer fee. Liverpool accept Salah's desire to try a new chapter and will not ask for money to any club in the summer despite Mo having a contract valid until 2027. Okay, gentleman agreement similar to what happened years ago with Jurgen Klopp respecting the club legend. Okay, so in a nutshell, they are trying to tell us that what finally the love story between Mo Salah, okay, and Liverpool has finally come to an end, and Liverpool or Mo Salah will be leaving Liverpool definitely, okay, during the summer as a free agent. That they agreed that he terminates his contract and leaves as a free agent, even though he actually had a contract or has a contract that extended to 2027, which means they could actually sell him out, but they they instead went for a gentleman agreement. Okay, it was supposed to happen. In my honest opinion, Mo Salah's contract extension last summer was not supposed to was not the ideal thing that was supposed to happen for both parties, that for both Liverpool and Mo Salah, because it was obvious Mo Salah was in the twilight of his career. It's true, it's actually true. Mo Salah was performing, he was behaving, he was performing excellent. Okay, I think last season makes up one of his best seasons at Liverpool. That at 33, 32, 33, you can imagine. Okay, but businessly speaking, okay, if investmentally speaking, wow, that's English language. Okay, and from the club administrative point of view, extending Mo Salah was not a good idea. I maybe I more personally, my personal opinion, my personal feeling, I think they just couldn't walk away from Mo Salah like that. Maybe they never wanted to lose him for nothing, because actually last summer his contract was also coming to an end, and they never wanted to let him go as a free agent. And given that his performances were also very good, so when a player is performing, his market value increases. Hence, okay, on peut gratter quelques billets sur lui. So I think that was what they tried to do. And also maybe they really never prepared an after Salah. Okay, they really never prepared an after Salah, because in my honest opinion, I was hoping to see a Brian Bemo, okay, at Liverpool as an after Salah. Okay, it finally didn't happen. Bemo went to Manchester United, or maybe an Ahmad Diallo, like a Salah replica. Okay, a player with a left foot to play on the right wing. I That's what I was expecting, but it didn't happen. It didn't happen. Instead, they went for contract extension. Now, during December, all of us saw the saga. All of us saw what was happening. Salah, Anslot, media outlet, Pundit, Karaga, Salah coming out to talk, Anslot coming out to talk, disrespect. Yeah, so the environment was already too toxic. And no matter how much they tried to arrange it or fix it, okay, the environment was already too toxic for both parties, both for Liverpool and for Salah himself. So it was obvious. Thank goodness they also just accepted the gentleman way of doing things, okay, to liquidate him, and he goes out as a free agent, okay, and uh, Salah can open a new chapter in his career. Now, my honest opinion, where do I want to see Salah? Personally, I would prefer Salah goes to Saudi Arabia. But now, no disrespect to him, not going to Saudi Arabia because he is already finished. No, Salah can still give 2 good seasons in Europe if he signs in Europe. But I mean, we they are doing this thing for cash, like right? They are doing it for funds, and he's already in the middle of his career, and I think he can start focusing on trying to pile up funds, trying to pile up the back. Okay, so that what maybe in 2 or 3 years time he can retire comfortably. I don't know his point of view. Okay, it's just my point of view, just my personal feeling. Because him going out to play again in Europe, uh, statistically wise, and how do I say it in English? Statistically wise, and for the image of his career, is going to be nice. Okay, sports in the sports way of seeing it is going to be nice, but financially it's not the best decision to make for him personally. Okay, but anyway, it's his career. He decides what he wants to do with it. If I was in his shoes, or if I was his manager, I prefer he goes to Saudi Arabia. Okay, so now you let me know where you want to see Mohamed Salah by come August. They just told us, or we just know of his exit. Now we don't know where he's going to be. We don't know this new club. No, nobody. Fabrizio tried to tell us. Okay, nobody is telling us about his new club, where clubs are interested, where he intends to sign. Nobody's talking about that. Okay, so we'll see into that come August. Okay, come August. But personally, I would like to see him in Saudi Arabia. Now, Mohamed Salah in Liverpool at Liverpool, because so many people are just disrespecting this guy because of maybe this is last season that is not so good. But people are not understanding that Mohamed Salah at Liverpool is a legend. Salah at Liverpool is a Liverpool legend. Let's look at his stats. Okay, Mohamed Salah at Liverpool is 435 games. First of all, he signed in Liverpool 2000. He signed at Liverpool 2017, 2018 season, if I'm not wrong. Yes, he signed in Liverpool the summer 2017, 2018, coming from AS Roma. Okay, in Italy. Okay, or in the Serie A. So Mohamed Salah at Liverpool is 400 and let me see where are those stats. Mohamed Salah at Liverpool is 435 games, 255 goals, and 122 assists. Salah alone at Liverpool. Okay, that's Salah alone at Liverpool is 1 Champions League, 2 Premier Leagues, 1 UEFA Super Cup, 1 Club World Cup, 1 FA Cup, and 1 Carabao Cup. That's legend stats. I'm sure there are some legends of Liverpool that don't actually have those stats. Now, let's go deeper and make you some of you understand. Some of you these fans that disrespect Salah, you don't just understand the gravity of the legend that you're trying to disrespect. The first season he signed for Liverpool, 2017-2018, is he had 36 appearances. 36 appearances. Okay. He had 32 goals. I think that was the season that he won the Golden Boot, first season. Okay. That was even the season that they played the Champions League final, if not of Courtois. Normally, they were supposed to have won the Champions League. I think was it that season? Yes, something like that sort also. 32 goals and 10 assists. That's 42 goal contributions. 2017-2019. 2018-2019, he had 38 appearances, 22 goals, and 8 assists. That is 30 goal contributions in 38 games. 2019-2020, where they won the Champions League, was it that season also? Okay, he had 34 appearances, 19 goals, and 10 assists. That is 29 goal contribution. 2019-2020. Okay, I've already given that. 2020-2021 is 37 appearances, 22 goals, and 5 assists. That's 27 goal contributions in 37 appearances. 2021-2022 is 35 appearances, 23 goals, and 13 assists. Okay, 13 assists. That is what 10, 33. That's 37 goal contributions in 35 appearances. 2020-2023, 38 appearances, 19 goals, 12 assists. 2023-2024, is 32 appearances, 18 goals, 10 assists, and 2024-2025 is 38 appearances, which was this last season that he had one hell of a season. 38 appearances, 29 goals, 18 assists. And now even this season that he's not been playing and is not in his best form, he still has 22 appearances, 5 goals, and 6 assists. Salah is a legend. Those numbers are crazy. They are crazy. Do you realize that in all this season, Salah have never given less than 20 goal assists per season? He has never, apart from this season, which is not even yet at the end. Because I'm sure by the end, these numbers are going to increase to 20 goal assists. Salah have not given less than 20 goal assists for how many seasons? 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seasons at Liverpool. That's crazy, man. Crazy. Put some respect on Mohamed Salah's name. So that's the end of the topic Mohamed Salah. Okay, we'll meet in the next video where we'll talk about other transfer news concerning Barcelona, Antoine Griezmann, Bastoni, Alvarez, Osimhen, and so on and so forth. See you in the next video. Peace. Visca Barça, Visca Catalonia.